undulations and that thing up towards the top. It's like
Yep.
it's alive.
It might be.
I can still see a bit of debris at the very base.
Yeah, I was noticing that just a few seconds ago.
I don't think it shows up on my video.
There's a circulation.
This is going to be the most filmed tornado in history.
All right.